Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I have made, as you can see on my screen over here, 5,000 US dollars in less than 1 week with one affiliate offer. So basically doing affiliate marketing using paid traffic, paid advertising, right? And if you have been watching previous videos of mine, you know that I'm all about 3 steps. Basically having the landing page, which is compliant, website, right, that is compliant, having the right offer, which is high quality, right, and also having the right traffic source, which is really important if you want, of course, to have long-term residual income with affiliate marketing. And in this video I'm going to show you which platform I'm using, right? It's not clickbank. In this example, it's not clickbank, it's called Max Bounty. For example, this is one of the offers where you can find CPA offers, right? Where you can basically get paid. For example, let's say that you have a neutral offer, let's say a supplement diet pill, right? Promoting to people living in US who are above 30 or 40 years old, females, for example, right? And they're looking to lose weight. So in this case, right, I have been promoting an offer, for example, that's paying, which costs, let's say, a 50 US dollars, right? And me as an affiliate, I'm getting $200 upfront on the front end sale. So now maybe you're thinking, so why the hell would someone pay you $200 for the product that costs, for example, like phone or something, $50? And the answer is simple, because if you go and Google CPA marketing, right, cost per acquisition, or right, it will pay you much more than the initial product cost is. Why? Because the system is made in a way that the company knows that they are going to lose money on the front end a little bit, maybe for a month or a week, and then they're gonna make a ton of money on the back end, selling them through email marketing and different kind of offers, right, with upsells, and make all of that and recoup the money back, right? So that's why CPA marketing is really important. If you understand, if you have someone to guide you through step by step, for example, one-on-one. I'm personally not a fan of buying courses, and the reason why is, again, if you remember, I told you to go and watch my previous videos, is because I don't believe in courses. I don't believe, because there is no personal support, there is no hand holding, there is no someone to guide you through step by step, right, showing you the way, if you are, of course, serious person. If you're watching this video, and I think you are watching this video right now, and you are serious, right, as you're watching this video, you'll begin to understand that you can, pay attention, make money online, right, if you have someone to guide you through step by step, like a mentor or a coach, right? And what we have basically is we will give you done for you affiliate website with done for you pre-sale page and done for you ad copy. And your job is, when we connect together using, for example, free software like TeamViewer, to set up these ads together one-on-one. We're gonna set up the ad campaign together and start generating results, right? So as you can see over here is Max Bounty, right? You can promote high converting cost per action campaigns, right, from different advertisers, right, or vendors. So you can sign up for free on Max Bounty or ClickBank. In this case, it's Max Bounty, and you can create your first affiliate free account, right? So if you're watching this video, and if you want to know if you want to have $5,000 weeks or even days or even months, right, up to you. And if you have some serious cash to invest, like let's say time and money, it's really important, right? Some people don't want to invest money, but on the other hand, you can leverage money, because the most scarce resource in our world is time. We cannot get time back. The only thing we can get more is money, right? But time we cannot get it back. So if you are serious and watching this video and want to have this kind of results with affiliate marketing, as you can see over here, right, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, also email. You can reach me out. Do let me know, right? And let's take action, right? Let's make something happen together, one-on-one. So as I said, you get done for you platform, you get done for you. We will choose the right quality offer for you. I personally help you set up ad campaigns, right? And then I suggest you, if you are serious, if you have some time, a little bit of time and some money to invest to start generating more, right? It's game about putting money in and getting money out. Put $2 in, get $5 out, right? This is the game. This is everything. This is all it takes. So please do let me know below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So again, thank you for watching this video, and let me know below this video click the links and connect with me. Thank you for watching.